We are now at a point where more than 150,000 Americans have died. The new daily confirmed cases of coronavirus are roughly 50,000, if not higher, per day. How much worse is it going to get?
You know, that's going to be up to us, Dan. And I think I like the way you frame the question, because it gives us the opportunity to speak to the country about the fact that we can suppress this with a total concerted effort of some 5 or 6 fundamental things, even before we get a vaccine. Now, obviously, we're working hard on a vaccine. I'm cautiously optimistic we'll have one. We could talk about that in a minute. But for now, just talking about the public health measures, if you do them, we know from history, you can turn around the outbreak, and you could do that successfully. Universal wearing of masks, physical distancing, 6 feet or more. Avoid crowds, outdoor better than indoor. Stay away from bars if you possibly can, and in some places even have authorities close it. That's a hotbed of transmission. And maintain hand hygiene. As simple as those things are, we know that if you implement them, they will prevent the surging and bring down the surging that's already occurred. Now, the reason that's important, that would not require shutting down again. There seems to be a misperception that either you shut down completely and damage a lot of things, mental health, the economy, all kinds of things, or let it rip and do whatever you want. There's a stepwise fashion that you can open up the economy successfully. You don't have to lock down again, but everybody has got to be on board for doing these 5 or 6 fundamental public health measures. And we've got to keep getting that message across, because younger people, understandably and innocently, they feel that they're invulnerable. And so they say, you know, it doesn't make much difference if I get infected. I'm in my own little vacuum, my own little cocoon. You're not. Because if you get infected, it is likely that you're going to infect someone else who might infect someone else who then have a very serious consequence. So we've all got to pull together.